This tool will show you if you have unclaimed airdrops. You might be sitting on thousands of dollars, but you didn't even know it. Take Andrew on Twitter, for example. He just claimed $2,000 in Optimism tokens for an airdrop he didn't even know about. And the tool he used is called Ernie.fi. And I want to make something clear. This is not a sponsored video. I actually made a video covering this protocol over a year ago. But since then, a lot has changed, which is the reason why I'm making this video again. And since then, Ernie.fi was acquired by Bankless, and they have added new features. Not only will Ernie.fi show you unclaimed airdrops, it will also show you historical airdrops to learn from, tips on upcoming airdrops, and also send you notifications so that you never miss an airdrop again. So let's go ahead and review this product to see if it's actually helpful. So we'll head over to Ernie.fi. Always be extremely cautious to make sure that you're on the correct link. I will leave a link for it down below. And over here, you can enter your address to see if you're eligible for any unclaimed airdrops. You don't have to connect your wallet. You can simply copy and paste it over here. And it will show you airdrops for multiple chains, including Ethereum, Polygon, Optimism, Arbitrum, Immutable X, Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, Gnosis Chain, and Cosmos. And Ernie.fi claims they have emailed over $142 million worth of airdrops to subscribers, and the average user found about $652 in unclaimed airdrops. And once you enter your address, it will show you your unclaimed airdrops and also airdrops that expired already. And if you do have unclaimed airdrops, just make sure that they're worth it to claim. You might have airdrops that are so small, right? $11 or $7, that simply paying the gas fee to claim it could cost more. Also, if you have an unclaimed airdrop for a protocol you never heard about and you're unsure of it and the amount to claim is very small, it's probably a safer idea to stay away from it. If you do see an airdrop unclaimed, double check to make sure it's legit by going on Twitter or checking that protocol's official website. You will notice I am getting these error messages in the upper right corner. I don't really know what that's about. It's not really affecting the way I'm using this site. So for now, it's just a visual problem. And here's where things get cool. If we go to the top, we see the Learn tab. It will show us real airdrops from the past we can study, and also airdrop strategies for upcoming airdrops. So for example, if we click on the ENS airdrop, it will show us who was eligible, the date of the snapshot, the total amount airdropped, and the total amount of recipients. And we can go to view all airdrops to see several other airdrops from the past that we can learn from. For example, if we click on Uniswap, it will show us the snapshot date, current average worth of the airdrop, and everything someone had to do to be eligible. So by studying this airdrops, it will give you some help on how to spot airdrops in the future. But they also have this tab over here for airdrop strategies. They do note, nobody knows future airdrops, but we can guess and hope to be right. Ernie.fi provides no guarantee these will be future airdrops. And that's the thing about airdrops. No one knows when they're going to come. We could only make guesses. So just understand there is no guarantee. Now you will notice that in order to reveal these top two, you need to make an account to log in. And these other ones, you need to join their premium program, which costs either $33 a month paying monthly or $250 for the year. So instead of you having to pay for it, I did it to tell you whether it's worth it. And once you sign up, it will show you add all of your addresses, and this will automatically subscribe you to notifications for new drops, NFTs, and POAPs. And now that we're logged in, we can see all these other potential upcoming airdrops. And it will show you a small description of what you might have to do in order to be eligible for a potential airdrop. For example, order book and liquidity protocol built on Optimism. Try a swap for cheap. And if we click on this tab, it will bring us to the website. And we can click on view all strategies to see all the other potential airdrops. But something I noticed about this that I'm not a huge fan of is it just gives us this small description. It doesn't really go into further detail or give us instructions. For example, if we look at MetaMask Swap, it states MetaMask has a swapping feature which leaves an on-chain footprint. Consider doing a swap with each of your Ethereum addresses. If we click on the link, it takes us to the MetaMask website. A big improvement that I think this website needs is some directions, right? It just tells you what to do, but it doesn't really show you how. And looking through this list, I've actually made videos covering many of these potential airdrops. I made a video in the past covering Optimism, which did have an airdrop. I made a video on Arbitrum. I made a video on ZK Sync, and I actually show you how to use these protocols. And again, there's no no guarantee there will be an airdrop, but the only way to know is to try it out. Optimism did end up having an airdrop, and I think Arbitrum and ZK Sync will have them as well. And same thing over here for MetaMask. I have a video showing you how to do the swap. I also made an updated video on their new bridge feature, which recently came out, which also may make a user eligible for a potential airdrop. I do like this tool. It will show you if you have unclaimed airdrops. It will also give you some tips for upcoming airdrops. My one recommendation, if anyone from the Bankless team is watching this, is to maybe put some directions for how to use these protocols. Now, if you want step-by-step directions on how to use some of these protocols, I have 2 videos for you. One of them covers Optimism, Arbitrum, and ZK Sync. And then I have another video covering MetaMask swaps and their bridge. Go ahead and watch this video right here.